Good morning, all of you. Today we start the second chapter of grammar textbook adverb. First off, I ask you some question to you. You know how many part of speech? How many part of speech? Yes. How many? 8. How many part of speech? 8. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and preposition. Among these, today we start one of them, adverb. Add verb. Add plus verb. Means you understood here. It is given more information about the verb. It is called adverb. It is given the more information about the verb. It is called adverb. It is given the information about the adjective. It is given the information another adverb, pronoun, sometime entire class is called adverb. Adverb are many types. Adverb are many types. Among these, I give some information about that. Adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree. These are the 5 we learn today. Time, frequency, place, manner, and degree. How we find time? Ask the question when. Frequency, how often. Place, where. Manner, how. And degree, how much and how little. So we learn about the information about the adverb. We learn the type of adverb and where we use the adverb. It is the important question you know. How to use the adverb? Adverb is in the sentence, in the end of the sentence, otherwise beginning of the sentence. When it is beginning of the sentence, it is for emphasis. It is for emphasis. So today we start adverb of manner. What I tell you? Adverb of manner. Adverb of time and place are usually placed after the verb. You understood? Manner, time and place use after the verb. Verb के बाद adverb of time, place and manner use किया जाता है. You understood? For example, the leaves were scattered everywhere. The leaves were scattered everywhere. In this sentence, the leaves is noun, were is helping verb, scattered is main verb, and everywhere it is the adjective, and it is the end of the sentence. Means it is the end of the sentence means after the verb scattered. Means the leaves were scattered everywhere. Means after the scatter, it is a verb. So that's why you understood adverb of manner, time and place usually place after the verb. Verb के बाद जो adverb यूज किया जाता है, it is called manner, time and place. Second, adverb of frequency. Listen carefully. First we learn manner, time, place. Now we learn frequency. Frequency is बार बार. Adverb of frequency are placed between the subject and verb. You understood? First we learn after the verb, and now we learn subject and verb. Adverb of frequency are placed between the subject and verb or between the auxiliary and main verb. Between the auxiliary and main verb. For example, now see. She never get up before the 8 o'clock. She never get up before the 8 o'clock. She is the subject, get is the verb. And between subject and verb, there is a never. What is word? Never. And never is the adverb. Never is the adverb. It is given the information about the gets. Gets means ready. She never ready before 8 o'clock. वो 8 बजे से पहले उठते नहीं, क्यों उठते नहीं? ये तो वर्ड से मीन्स इट इज गिवन द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द गेट्स हु नेवर, वो कभी भी नहीं. सो दैट्स वाई सी इज द सब्जेक्ट, गेट इज द वर्ब, एंड बिटवीन देम देयर इज नेवर, इट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, इट इज अ एडवर्ब. I have often stayed at the hotel. I have often stayed at the hotel. I have stayed at the hotel. I subject. Stayed verb and often is adverb. So here is also the often is between subject and verb. Often is between subject and verb. So that's why we understood here adverb of manner, time and place is come end of the verb. Adverb of frequency is come between subject and verb. It is important. With form of the verb he, with the form of the verb be, the adverb is placed after the verb. Sometimes adverb placed after the verb. It is again that point. Adverb enough is always placed after the word it modifies. Listen. Another adverb is enough. Enough you know. Enough is always placed after the which word it modifies. जो वर्ड को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है उसके तुरंत बाद आता है. नाउ सुबह आई गिव द वन एग्जांपल. आई हैव वॉक अलोंग. आई हैव वॉक अलोंग. मैं बहुत दूर जा रहा हूँ. इनफ बहुत काफी है. मीन्स आई हैव वॉक long enough. It is come after the modify. It is modifies the long. It is modifies the long. That's why enough is modify the long and it is near to that word. So dear student, you understood about the exact adverb. Adverb is given the more information about the verb. Adjective, another verb, pronoun, sometime entire class. Adverb is given the information about the verb. There are 5 types of the adverb: time, frequency, place, manner and degree. How to use in the sentence you will know. Manner, time and place come after the verb. Frequency is subject and verb. Frequency is between subject and verb. So that's why you understood better about the adverb. And after that I give all the exercise in the textbook in your PDF. So you write down that in your notebook. You fill up the grammar textbook, and after that I given written notes you write in notebook. These are the written notes you understood. These are the written notes you write in notebook. Okay, thank you all of you.